Shwmae, Croeso to our year in review. At Life Science Hub Wales, we're here to bring people and ideas together so innovation in health and social care can thrive and improve lives across Wales. We know the pressures facing the NHS and social care. However, these pressures can bring opportunities for change, opportunities to adopt innovative solutions and boost our economy. This year, we've strengthened partnerships to speed up innovation adoption, launching a national pathway to tackle cancer, one of our priority areas. This is a structured, collaborative approach, giving innovations a clear and consistent route from identification to adoption. We've also introduced a working together approach to improve collaboration across healthcare, industry and other partners, recognising the importance of partnerships in driving positive and impactful change. Alongside this, we've supported the rollout of electronic prescriptions, which now serve over 500,000 people. And we're also investing in Wales' future by building talent pipelines with Careers Wales and MSpark, and supporting Welsh companies through the High Growth Potential programme. What matters most is the impact, better outcomes for patients, stronger economic growth and meaningful change across Wales. None of this happens alone, so diolch o galon to all of our partners across government, the NHS, industry, academia and the third sector, along with our amazing team at Life Sciences Hub Wales. We couldn't do what we do without this fantastic collaboration and teamwork. I'm really proud to share this year's highlights with you all.